Article 34.1 of the Constitution states, "Justice shall be administered in courts established by law." Why is an effective court system essential to any democracy? The answer is a simple one: to do justice, to maintain the rule of law, to ensure that every citizen is protected equally regardless of their background. We expect a courtroom to be an impartial forum. We expect judges to apply the law without regard to the wishes of the state or the weight of public opinion. We expect a court decision based on what the law says and what the evidence proves. I am Enoch Burke, one of the plaintiffs in Burkes and NUI Galway. I would like to say a special thank you to all of you who have been following this case over the past few weeks. Your words of support and encouragement are greatly appreciated. At the heart of this case is a claim that an Irish university, NUI Galway, punished 4 students with a lifelong sanction because of their religious beliefs. When our case came to the Galway Circuit Court on the 18th of June this year, it came as an appeal from the Workplace Relations Commission. The sitting judge that morning was Judge Petria McDonnell. On the 31st of May, 18 days before the court hearing, NUI Galway had written to us to say that they were lifting the lifetime ban and that they would not seek their legal costs if we dropped the case. On the morning of the Circuit Court hearing, Senior Counsel for NUI Galway rose to reiterate the offer, which we had clearly rejected by letter several days before. In response, Judge Petria McDonnell questioned or commented whether the lifting of the lifetime ban would render the whole case moot. Why would the judge suggest that the case was moot when it was obvious it was not? The judge then went on to double down on her comment after the lunch break, saying even if the case is moot, it doesn't mean it can't proceed. The judge twice refused to retract her comment or apologise for it. This is a judge admitted to the role of solicitors 45 years ago and appointed as a judge 12 years ago. She, more than anybody else in that courtroom, would have known the full implications of the word moot. How alarming then to think that she would question if the case was moot when she knew full well that the requirements of mootness were not met. It was clear to Judge Petria McDonnell that there had been no admission of wrongdoing on the part of NUI Galway, no agreement between NUI Galway and us, the plaintiffs, and that there had been no redress made. Why would she suggest that morning that our case was moot? If the discrimination had been on the basis of any other of the protected grounds, for example, race or sexual orientation or gender, would Judge Petria McDonnell have acted in the same manner that morning? The actions of Judge Petria McDonnell in the Circuit Court on the 18th of June are alarming and unacceptable. For this reason, we are asking that Judge Petria McDonnell recuse herself. We cannot sit before a judge who appeared to have prejudged the case before the hearing had even begun. Please read our full submission called Judge Petria McDonnell, Justice Standeth Afar Off, available on our website burkebroadcast.com or via the link underneath this video. This is not a private matter. The case is of grave importance to all who care about justice, equality, and religious freedom in this country. Thank you so much again for your continued support for this case and for following us. Please continue to look out for updates over the days ahead. Your support is greatly appreciated.